Sabe pepe netie Ghana de shema ya mamu nyina chibi mama makwa basronko aha Sompa 106.5 FM Accra so wanya te se nwum we body a na Ghana Today bre na dru so Ghana Today dwumadie no di no juada kopem afiada nopa nonson ekosi no nwotwe yedi nkomo efa o my Ghana ho de obonkrata hodo ebe adwaman so ensemu a edi ahim na afi ya ma obre na so ebre ni dru so a wo de wadwenkyere no aba enti koso amafidie no ena hanum si nonson ebo paimo ebebie phone lines no na so oba bekere wadwentiawa yamfa sedama endpoint homeopathy clinic eho eni ayaresa bia papa ya ye kamfo de ama we na no pay yese yade bia etete wo se ya wo ho asem eye prostate wo memamu wo de ye premature ejaculation ana wuntini wo liver no eni wo kidney wenyo ha bi wo ho a baby yesesa wo de wani echiem no eye endpoint homeopathy clinic obi anya stroke be ye mfie dodo no anie abubu na gu ho wontimi nya ne ho hwe wontimi nsore wontimi entenase wontimi nya ne ho bibia obi a na ye bibia ma na eba ne sa no a na amada dwene no ene ohaw no ayekese enti fa wo de hye no ko endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mbehwe no se ebia wontimi ni hospital ho akoni abada bia ene emu physiotherapy sessions ne ade no a ye beba na yaba be ma home care services no wo de anese obefre ya homa no na wo ne yen edi nkomo ye be church oni emani so na fe no enhyehyɛ ya ye na obekɔ na yetimi abafie ababɛhwɛ odehye no edi ama no ye no akosa nhyehyɛ no Fred Dr. Dubuatin ene ne dom no was 0244867068 0244867068 de bia meka cho say yade na manipa ye mobo yade etumi manipa ye mobo pa obehu se panyini sebe na wayesa akwada yade ene etimi yesa ade no enti brashel signboard ewo enkran spinters kwan so anase kronoma boahia eho na obehunu endpoint homeopathy clinic number na media to dwa no 0244867068 ana 0274 234321 0274234321 na woni yen edi enkomo kasa natural mineral water any ensuo krogen ya sonso de afamfidie mu ya sonso kama yiye fini kekawa bi edi afri mu ene yedi agu entoa mu ye wo bottle mu de ye wo sachet ena ye wo dispenser gallons na eno yedi sisi afie mu ene offices ahodo 80 pebia no pay na fasom wade hye wo staff no ene enkoda na wo fie busua ne nyina wo betimi anom every dispenser gallons no mu eye Kasaloma Ventures ena akofa ensuo yi aba edwaman so Taifa enkran back hospital nechi honoma eho ena obehunu Kasaloma Ventures obefre 0206 469430 0206 469430 ana 0303 965780 Hajia special local foods eho ena no peyi nyina edi ani echiremu na yakwakope aduane bia to yeyem se no nwotwe boy ya na Hajia hyehye ne nioma efiri banku so koka emo no de edi mo ye bia se mutuo se emo plain rice wachi jollof rice assorted no aha ne nyina ebi ubenye bi ewo Hajia special local foods ozo hye ne kira kwan a owo hacho atomic kwan so udru transition funeral home na obi se obi asa wo Hajia special a won betro nti bofa ho anopei se bia wo office wo adwumam wo dofo bi wo fie na opese wo ye delivery wo surprising lunch ewie ya mepacho no so be free be package ne kama na yako deliver edi amano number ne 0246 359921 0246 359921 and 0594 797215 0594797215 eno eye Hajia special local foods Sompa 106.5 FM Accra your client service line da so ye adwumo freyen na ye nu ni nkomo ne yenton wade no emfa mawo ye mbo wade no ho de rosansa ha no ye ton a ye to number obefre ne 0531 886216 0531 886216 wo madaroma ena no pay ye de Ghana Today dwumadie no ebremu midin de Adwoa Asare Odumankomachi ame Obrempong na kwekwampoma atrasia no pay ya ye de ubonkrata no mu empensempensemu esomu kwaku bibia boko
Yami adom Adwoa na wo so
obo ade na da wurma se ade achi ye die na ye beda Awurade ase eno wa mu na ye wo na enenso de ensem no aba daily guide da manimu no pay me hu se chronicle as usual about daily graphic and we ye de when post won
daily post graphic or chronicle Ghanaian Times and so aba
right ene ye ntinsi mutewe na yemfa ensem no metiefo.
Right. Mama fa
me mumu me yiwe ni mfiri ho.
Oh, ni nyina ye
pe nti de ye nkwa.
Mama fa Ghanaian Times en hyase na. Ena de ni ebedi ahimpa no. E wo de bonkrata no tabloids ni nyina no eye chema wontumi. Bernard Ntwibo asi akon. Stronger than apartheid.
Ena de bibia timi.
Abo bia kawo.
Bibia timi no pa.
Oh. Hi. Nana ni now. Because wo kwata de ehye no kra no. No ni say we wo nya free one ko de ko campaign so ogusu ye campaign into go share delegates abo bia ko wo
asem we pa de wo hu
ha fidie swan
mra ma mi say papa yi
hwe
ade aye no
ba am before so on be appeal in fact I'm saying say the cry if you put the voice no and now so ko appeal enti he mo de mo pa mo ko the Hague ye so be appeal MP for asem no mo kan on say mo de mo pe man 100 years ye be appeal am number 0.1 say we dey we twa asase ye twa je say no wan kofi o
e asem pa
no wan kofi enti we na manfo bu say ene ye say we koka say nam tamaklo ho
na wono wo wen wono wa ka kire say wo prison
oh enye na no en ahu adwo ho na no asem me be kan ye wo si muntaka se on sa fe de wo ka bi atoso and I was put takasi my year or
the man be so say one no waka just o prison
my year or the man kuma crisps or the man kuma bites or the man kuma sobolo from or the man kuma's kitchen me dey come said na tamaklu
by here I mean we hear they say the oma ka kire na yensu yeti enti ministers wo ho no ma ya je atum ya je atum
ne ono na yeka
na de ai ukosra nipa na je otro ho official letters
the same minister no Ewurade kwaku nye the same minister no ka say omo betua service allowance rent allowance
okra de menko
adwade ti ni o say asat April I think say March April and no press conference e ka kire ye say oba betua allowance rent allowance at the service personnel near she interior for na asem e dia ka almost salary ho abisi ne one announce a promise no the same minister na said na tamaklu e wo prison ni mo say odoman kuma person okohwe no a won tromre ono minister no na won kwatam ni mfiri babia won mfa no kosi prison gate ano na makohwe no
debi wan kanesa
debi o yes amfo e na kire no nto aso meboa Adwoa me no na edi nkomoyi
so ze si anso obi anye na adwen se wo kosra no enti no yenya obi anya nkosra no de yentimi ngase
me si me pese me koma no odoman kuma crisps odoman kuma bite odoman kuma sobolo ni nyina afi odoman kuma sketching makana ofidi
ene da
obekọ nya afidi keto o
ene da obekọ no ka kire me
oh there be I just go book appointment. So since one now go be prison, I just go book appointment to ministry.
Oye
there am there yi I went go bet me say I go bet asaki mo na se fo no krogu ho no ni ya twa koma ministry ansa
for security reasons
omode ayi papa ye okowu wo prison MP okowu wo prison am say me we fi papa din ayi Adamu Dramani Adamu something I forgot it no one go to prison ni ya twa koma interior ministry ansa ni akọ
no for security reasons
esunu do akọ na sunu aburu.
Oh, for security reasons. So we say the situation, no, her situation was different.
Situation be any baby,
hey, she. Tradition, her situation was different.
Different.
She was extradited. Yanko anymore.
When you extradition, yeah, and come as I call you to take a
we the are two into more catch the cans or no matter
one Yeah. Enti wuntumi kɔ 20 years. Ewa ha. Na ajeti ha. We eya pomden komo Dr. Tedros mo. Wama na atete Tedros ne to. Ana wama ma yehu no. 4 in 10 cancer cases preventable. 4 in 10 cancer cases
na chese wo yi nipa du a wo manya cancer ya de ni si ho a emu nan anke betimi asi ho kwan
na so e ba na sen Ghanaian Times na dia ba page 14 wo de pen ye ba he no e wo ho. Bank of Ghana stops gold board gold purchase pre-financing agreement. Boba o tie Adwoa. Bank of Ghana stops gold board gold purchase pre-financing agreement. Ntinka ye kwaya pre-financing.
Eno ye de
See e di kind scanner kwansa na.
Deal na
ya deal ne kura ase. Gold board for na omo pre-finance deal no. On say etimi fa contractor.
Ni atua ne ka.
Ya ka che contractor say wo afa sika koye.
Ya ni atua.
Ntinka gold board for koye bi. Okay, some be because I'm on come be good board. A chapa na busumi mienu nie. Na we
san komo no ye ni.
Na we ka ho. Na no maybe a wo bo hwere magu masum se to bo na sem bi firi ba bi ba na mtwa so. E na TV banga yam se bi. We know how many inches no?
We dey say
75 inches.
Eso.
Mo ba kono kra de no wo de na mto no kra de so sin we. We are 75 I no crash to see we one go to mako be 20 so am de ko bo office so say minim so am de ko sini am de be sini ma me Adwoa me sin some go board ho na eya na entoboase bi ni ade because say me officers ni gu me kon so e na ya na ma ja gold board nko mo ne kakra o yes anka by this time me je
ka yesim
oh me say that me say
omo ye humanitarian services.
Oh, now no ko Ghana water, you need problem. Because in so
dey say sika ne mfa so no deal no omo ya mfa so na bia no omo de yes a
say gold no yetu a omo so omo nkwa na yeso beto gold no. It is a yetu gold no yes ensu nam se mo nkwa na motor mo fa proceed mi ko ensu no. Asem na yeti awa, onye hwe. Ti say na we twa otakra ma awe. Onwe nam. Enye ofi hu nsuo na de no nam. Ofi no enye mu nsuo no a e na de no nam. Na de opesa wo kofa nsuo fro fri baby na da benu anam no dabi enti no eno anu no adwuma no
stop deal no
enti so ma stop deal no
omo reasons ne say
wo e wo page 11 ho etie fo mpa Ghanaian Times de be hwe because wo mo sika no sa na etie no ene baby agreement ne arrangement ne nam no ase papa na ka smell nam bi something fishy ewum agric minister ogusu defending ko kwankete no ni enkrofo awe no wogusu defend na wo kire
na no kra de wo se monwi bi
afede wasa
minister say nkokọ no monwi bi na ba ma monwi ni nyina monwe kakra ba mu make sure say nkokọ nketenkete no mu be ma eso aba mfa so na say project no ana initiative no say anye say ye for ya ye ho ye for Ghana for right
na say mo kan ye okoshi akonomti fo no assurance konomti fo no. And I want to ask
Matthias.
Okwesi no say that was not the intended purpose.
So I'm very
intended purpose. Then they say, yeah, uria ton na san fesi can invest. And I mean,
there be ton no now ton o ton for day. Enye
there be enti no nya wo na wo ye ho adwuma na yesa wo hwe. Ton na nya sika no na san fa je nkokɔ ni bisan ka ho. Ayi Akate farms. One or young boy Akate farms. Apa Dr. Apa farms are yi
America
ka. One young boy Apa
farms. Say na nkokɔ no. Da ben na program ne kura na ye a month ben.
O say nkokɔ ndi omunyi ntamo. Rapport nkokɔ di agye so aboso mienu na omo pija.
Ko say nkokɔ yi omatimi a sonkwan sesi a me ye.
Ana no makra so omo we. Ena mi busa say enim somuwa wa mpraye so ne farms a wo yi se wo we nkokɔ na kene nko benya bi ato ma mpraye so fo eno na no minister say nkokɔ nketenkete no ya mfa ma mo se mo nkoye na monwe mo nkoye na monye ne se akate monye ne se apa monye ne se enim somuwa de ni bi na mo jeje
na mo invest na nkokɔ ne nyini no
mo to nti wo to nkosua
na wo nya nkonko
mo nti wo timi kumbi na wa obi beto hwebro nya dua se na ye om deposit ko begu kwa na wo so de bi ka ho saa nti ebu so saa na ne bo ne beba fom no bia Ghana ni bia nya bi na ye giant idea no force de na edi 6 months of fridge ma no ma sa de abegu ye so no ni ye jaye no da bia ne ye nkokɔ ne ye fresh ukɔ railway he ya ukɔ railway he ya wo mo wo hui
do me hui
ukɔ ya ho na wo chi ne life
no wa
atutu ne ho de ama ne yam ye nyina po be san de ama enu bi na minister so wo kan ti won no de begu crossing he wo we yankɔ de ba begu
eni yesra mu nkokɔ no munyaire
anti minister so mu nyi kakra munyaire se minister o ma se san nkokɔ kitenkiti project ne so o me kan kire yin na wo ma ye hu se
the project ne dey still na wo mo kire se is effective
so na no ase edu nketia kan se no kura kakra bi entro bebre enti se ade na koye se yen ya na ye kan ye mo ye party full soldiers mo anwe kakra mo be san aba ye ho abepesika enti mo nwe kakra mo fa kakra ngo fufuo me meti he minya ba ko anka me de wunu ofufuo ba me ni ba bi a ebi wo mekoto bi
yenkwai
enti eno minister gusu defendi enti his defense no na wabomu no eno so page 12 ewo Ghanaian Times mu na Daily Graphic ena mabegina ni na ya na Chronicles yan kenkan Matthew asempa Matthew 12:26 36 and 37 no wa fa ya na de atoso ma me na ne wo kan asem bi ho na Chronicle ne de ode baaye no ena Daily Graphic de aba se mampani ataski ECOWAS wo mu implement protocols no a was an ophobic attack no ho no wo monye nya sa asem kase beto ECOWAS so ono say we next in line yeah chairmanship no wo mu enukwa the African Union na sefo nyina no ene ni aka nyina wo no position no bi su obedi saa nanso wo say ECOWAS fo wo mu anhwe no ma anya hu bibia abibi man titru pa ne atoye famu ha sei no ngofo bi akrabrifo bi guase ho boy adwe idi ECOWAS fo hwe yi no mo nye bi emfa ho cabinet approve $331 million wo mo de kwa and SHS double track no into page 16 and 17 what the honsem kakra e de aba wontumi anya 20 years and also anya 20 years awanya kan mfie ho eye ne a wo de kwa kotwa e wo afiase na Daily Post pa ho wo mo mpe wontumi asem o
ade wo ma yede
wo de hwe wontumi atade yellow no e no wo de twiro jail yellow
oh
Chairman wontumi jailed 20 years over illegal mining. Say there according to ni accord to the abana say chairman wontumi no galamsey. Say galamsey the tiamra na illegal mining no. Inya say chairman wontumi no galamsey. According to Accra High Court. And as a High Court say chairman wontumi no galamsey into our
na me die on say sankomo we no me I don't have any issue with it.
There here.
Say ya jail wontumi 20 years. At least anasanye bi kura na said ye Ghana fo bi kekenra say utie voices ye bobo ye bi ni ade ye de na scapegoat.
Oh yeah.
Scapegoat ye de na ye fine. But more man nso ho no mo a. Enti from 2022 they want to tell us say this is the only illegal mining prosecution case yetimi edi echiri
Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey, me wafa kana shigbe. Dispute government assessment on illegal mining.
Is this really what they want to tell us?
Me busao, adwa me mwa. E na no papa ya osori ana o press conference bebrebe wo Ghana he. Aban lawyer.
AG.
Mo friend say. Akrotenga.
Dr. Dominic
Akrotenga
ayene.
Press conference minister no wabeka kire say wa refer yokofo so o mo hwe Joseph Yami because o galamsey afinie yente hwe na me sheda be busa say say Yami ne ho nsem ne te sen
and he's not the only person
ye ka say we MPP for ka say as a minority declares who to me political prisoner.
That's true, but okay obi beka say ye politics but that is only share from 2022 and a samra boy mine a ye by you and a court na ba eko na ba back and forth sa and na afina 2026 yet me at the ruling final ruling aba 4 years. One case. One.
Na bede no onye biaka.
Oh, come on.
Me think bede no onye biaka.
Me, that's okay. Whatever sanctions they've given him, fine, fair enough. Ne bone no waye no wenya so aketua. But there are other enioma na se na no mampani mahama nankasa kan yi. Se no nkasa na ban mu nkrofo. Omo ye gala ni bi. Omo ye bi. Enti womo make sure say san nkrofo ne so no because womo anye ne ne na NDC free aban mu na MPP ba we don't know what will happen in 2028 but say NDC free aban mu na MPP for ba na omo so be yon beka say eye political witch hunting. We don't want to hear that.
Adwoa Asare o na no yesi ukoto se nipa mienu okun bo say na no
den na siye
na no na nado danko akufo ado beka kire say wontumi is not engaging in illegal mining.
Na say no press conference they are still insisting there's no evidence against him.
Very well.
So how did they sentence him?
Ena se si ya wontumi ne mfidie eni Samra boy no kohwe Samra boy
still na e koso
me si kohwe Samra boy
after the ensuo ko ye nyina chi
no mu ho no kohwe ho
after the ensuo ne ye ho nyina chi
didn't Adwoa ha me si ene ya wontumi yesesa na niema wo ma na ye hye ye nasefo nyina afiri wo se bro afini me si se si ye kohwe Samra boy kifo na wo se si ano o me ye wontumi nkrofo muti krom hawo ena bibia ya amanyosem enti na no ye de opunimu kogina court 8
till now.
Asa ban by was say nolly protocol was in any case in the huntu atwam
sky train e ho asem ba ye nyenne nyenne ewen
we ya ye kan nyina no obi ti baabi wadwa ne buafu ubufu kura ye beka ena no ohun say na no ayi a na nipo na ye benada na asa ya wada no say quotation ya chronicle de man no kura kakra ye ka ye nti ya batam no kura
but I mean yenjai sa enhwehwe animu yenjai sa ne ma no emra na ye adwuma enye adwuma wo bia so enye adwuma wo bia so enye se bia targeted enkrofo bi anase ba we ya mese na no obi ko wi a obi iPhone 12 wo ho abrantie ye obi ya ma na 10 years
10 years o obi nso akọ repu akwara 12 years ame ya ma na 12 years
and so obi two galams yenim pa yenim
environmental distraction
yenim but because say be a yenya dance bi say ye dey na dance no kura we dance no we
me say dance be na sen say ya betu ya be hu say wo sha ha ye ne yense say wo yi eno ya dance be na sen sa say me te hey na me hu say ana wo hu say me te hey tete papers yi mu when no aka me see me nyai still makofa boys abeka ho ne yetete ne aka nyina mu o see me adanse be
say court de court wa enya ano asem
say system no a
ye mfa ano asem enya adwuma
oh adwe
ye the proof evidence
ena ye adwuma court no kra nya
kra ne obi di bone na wokofa lawyer na lawyer ni timi defend the case no the best way prove it to court and say ne nipa ye no wo nyina so nti a wo ye ya e be mana fa ne ho akodi
wo say papa no ko wi a PWD for niema people living with disability for ena wo call ye na ebusa say hey then na we ya tro ho PWD enya wo dia udi ne sen wo say from Paul William Dankwa PWD Paul William Dankwa lawyer na ka chen say krachi at the end the wafa PWD wo mo niema gu ho wo mo din gu ho ye de kokoto a obedi for enti still asam na kodi court no de ebusa wa udin de Paul William Dankwa ana say unsu wo group bi e friend paper wangra department
na che say wetimi approve it to court ne say
you reasonable doubt ye wi say niema no de afako oh enti chronicle de aba minority declares want to be political prisoner why want to be was jailed for 20 years and unya yeah chronicle na obecheche mo kama and as I say Buankra inland port say ye ba no we emra no one more dispute kakra one more dismiss Ashanti for no ASPL for no 33 million
ASPL
against just more construction. One more question,
yeah. We much throw ASPL. And a daily guidance what throw APSL.
Are there any Ashanti Port Services Limited?
Ain't you wetty?
Chronic story now. Cause I want to APSL. And how about your ASPL? Oh, we yamin in count that hono. Chronicle for, but I see I can kind. Matthew 12:36 and 37. No, I do make camera for no. Okay. Yeah, you Matthew 12, chapter 36 and chapter 12. Matthew 12, verse 36 and 37. But I tell you that everyone will have to give account on the day of judgment for every empty word they have spoken. Mm-hmm. For by their words you will be acquitted. I say by your words you will be acquitted, and by your words you will be condemned.
Matthew Nsempa etidu mienu yi mu aduasa ensia ne aduasa nson o say mereka ma kire mo say atemuda no asenhunu biara a obi aka no
obi o kan nsemhunu wo na
obebu mu akonta 37 o say wanum asem so na wonam bebu obem
anafo ibebu fo it is stronger than apartheid owi anu aka kire say me Mahama me na Mahama kwa wonsuro me
and as I say ya pacha o manu yi
me
oh asemu
Mahama kwa won na me kwa oh fatoso na me nkyere I say Mahama kwa wonsuro me me Mahama kwa
you are really mimicking him ayasemu enti chairman which me no and someone na daily guidance so the buy want to me jail 20 years fine 300k for illegal mining. NPP vows to appeal wound to miss conviction. And a police nab 5 Langard seized guns ammunition. Work ratify tosomiensa. Ewo daily guide munti wunya bia ubetimi akenkan. Mamenko na yenkonko peke course no anopay na yeni nkomo 0260196064 0260196065 0260196064 196065. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Sompa Maba.
Me pacho why na battery?
Me pacho be bright near me kata.
Bright into you fabuso kan.
That's I be in shower na me le penya o dia ma. Mame sia ona bo pita ko simensa a obutu te ma shipyard. Na me sia ona bo chief of staff ona bo to Zebra. Na minister say yenia onabo Amos Blessing or call for regional secretary. SSS times so mo kai na mo to aba and for man onabo alaji akondo abutu council bitia ni papa final ampa chama untimi eyese yebo judge na abaso papa hapa se otimi nya akukuduro edimra eye ejuma ama ene ya jeri chama untimi. By the American say, a idea or more omugusu a galamsey, a illegal mining, a forest, any assassin, a omudi idea way, a because a bit net will be a Nikai Akunta mine it's not a car, say Chama to me, any Akunta mine it's a forest, am I a former President Akufado at the Crafty Rock. I was say on your money bia ewo bia and then one would atu chama to me. And you bet me to be a abano e one mode a year to my day say on bet me up what ye forest who should can a boy juma boy a forest there on bet me save a forest now man for a 2 galam say no or boy word by a year.
Bright Medasipi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wine meshia no.
Me pacho Frank Narudi Domin na mayo.
Domi mayo yentie wanope.
Yo, anopa mi aba mi pakwanya dia mami so. Na me ntia Greater Accra Regional Organizer. Honorable Anthony Nicodu. Na me mona paso. Ewo juma so a wa jamna nde. So Greater Accra ndi gas tabi na aboyebo. Na me ko so na me ntia Honorable Elikufu Agric Minister. How dey
program a friend go get the by men, and go by a program on it as one thing. Which Yan and a bad ballad, one a boy could do. Or no beer, Mushi, or one end is the other neighbor. I'm more dead than I know. Which was a one about papa. Uko Kroma, and Mamu and Maya almost used as a Tom Twasso, Nadachi, Oma Baye, Bruno, as a Padiano. And then Yakalam say, and then where you know, and our Tomato, we are to Okada, we have to wait for like it was 17 years of a costume, or so Papa Yakalam say. That I want to be radio so TV so no they good, what way not they check there, no be among point, no one can let him to wear my name. Meaning about the one about in a way I am now, and the amount of one, almost a gun and your fire. Only a show as Senno, from the Papa Mamma, or you say, or be a brother so you say, who took the I am Rapasono, and running with you.
Menso meda se do mi me 0260196064 196065. Hello, good morning.
Me tampe manager papa.
Collins.
No.
Bibi aboko anokwe.
Ya kupado bibi aboko na majwa Trobo constituency executive.
Right. Ombeshe we nyampa.
Me Canada, sama for campaign manager. We have 2 about October year. Very so calling you. David.
Esikura.
It's crazy. David. Me share that claim and it am be flowers the campaign manager papa.
Yeah,
mo popo nsem bi ne ho a e mo doni. Share we any lesson. E my dinina ye amanyosem. Majwa, uti ko ntinu usi matches ahodo a enye ene ka wo de wo se ya kam kenye enso ye mo bi political appointment a no say we are seeing na Americana wa fa bonebo eh see ye be ko no hwe see breaking it down ya ye nya akonya esum omanwe ye nyo bia kitchen ni be tira deal from scratch up to 30 years 35 years no that's so high day you who couple or high do that I will see that sorry and so you know the political appointment within just a year to 2 years you are building heavy machines the kakasi and who can in next one to me J President Akufado you will remember the so want to be here Akota money and you will be 2 years in next one MPP yeah catch them say MPP yeah money papa and what's he gonna for and rely on President Muhammad NDC better Ghana again than resetting any organo I shall say want to be so Yakupo Ishra
Menso meda CP Collins. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho dini baby akase free.
John idiot me ka just listen down there.
Pacho yentio.
We me chair with you for another day. I say MPP ya ko e sinyana so mai na ya ko enam the vice chairman ya me to ya fe no kwesi ada na bozi ina busiana ni ya ko e sinyana ya ko na say ninia me abe nyina no me de me vasobo emu bibia me de sobo ni nyina bo na nado na masani ma we nyina ba oh se nipa no se utu iboni a ebi ekan wa no na nado de em se ne wira be ko no ho asiri ni be bia na me de yankopɔ ase se papa yi ti ase sa ne ma we nyina ekoso se papa yi afi mu a de be me ya papa oh uba amamu a uba buya ye ka fi dia kire papa yi je ye ka se nyina na papa yi na be ma say you be people NDC for aka kire umuma ni idwe na ye different wo memu ha na ye kimemu ha wa ba be di president ema for the sense and go for ya na omu tisi ya omu nya no omu ka sei agi salary 4 years papa yi o dwe ava ko treba kwa goja ko gujina ko say omu nyina ye Ghana for e di ya che wo omu no me tisika no ekwa Sika will be and the Pukwaya and Unam Sua in the second with me at the eye. And then your area will go for yɛde yɛ nkɔfɔ so si yɛ nyinaa yɛ Ghanafoɔ wodi media wɔnyɛ Ghana ni edi sɔmɔ yɛmfa wo bia yɛmfa mo na nado na mɛwu buyɛ ɛnɛ wɔne owura akɔfɔ te hɔ ma yɛhwɛ deɛ ne bobɛnya n'asomdwe media wɔwe a mɛka sa deɛ yɛkasa ɛyɛ no
meda sipi sɛ wo nso wode wodeɛ ba no pay 0260196064 196065. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh yeah.
Ajani mo me ho ye na won so e.
Ajani mo ni tiatia ona no pay. Na mo adwuma.
Adwuma
ni ko nte men jaje ti general secretary adwuma pa wo bo. Na ntia na bi don so ba for vice chairman. First vice chairman. Ntia na akosia uju a kita kra woman national organizer. Na ntia ruka ajia ono so oba for treasure oba we obeye adwuma ndi mo mpanche nta onye adwuma mo o my Ghana na keso na no pay me chiao for national area oba yo dia ni kanya ne ze meka so no wo for uri kwa menani anao enkrofo no a omo ba jo mo ne beye adwuma no omo de na kwata answin wo dia ze na nipa mienu ko ya de a ya chi ba ku ja ba ko Nje de wuti mu nko fo na plan bi no mo plan ye. Ana o plan ko wuda sa o ha no. What do you say? Ndi next time ejo ma na ni da o. Obi ba no no be yaduma emra ko ye da wo no. Ene ne yan jise ye. Enkodi bia eni bia bia ti. Na afi da jo na ko fo ha dia bro. Edi nje da nko fo no mo ba ye no a. Wo be ye yi no. The temptation pa ni da nko fo no. Wo me na ka ni temptation ni da nko fo no a. Ubeti akasa msimu kwa godi atanti ya ni pan. What you say? And me say I plan bi no plan e na mo be ya sabe no. Ye pompa je nya gogo nyini firi. Mam chat slow. Bye bye.
Ajani mo medase. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Deto.
Me pacho dini baby akase free. Mr. Nokurasa.
Mo. Na kameka me do kwa ho a.
Debi mante.
Okay, Mate. Nene mo abasuna mentia doctor Amako Dr. Amubafu Oba National Right. Kweto dankwa enu tuda kono conducting national communication. Yes, it's a conducting national organizer. Chief of staff me bo abaso ejuma penjinya me be she unkudi abotri na shamai. Oso yejuma ide asama ko mo kai no na tra priority commission on so bo ejuma. Abata untimi die enye NDC beso ana ya kimbu MPP waso kra omu di adanse di tia wontumi ema ye hu se wontumi 24 because abukina people the catchers wontumi ninkrata e wo so wura fonstini ekotu galamse onu aka ni general manager enka sokura de di adanse di tia MPP for akafa and the book wontumi efo and some of them telling me, about the title. Mestre, Attorney General say, well, here, don't you be every kind. You are coming a door soon. When make sure so, Omobama and them out of them. May you put a war with you be around 10. You bet you, and the attitude of man will be 12.
Medasi P. Mr. Nokrasa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Miniabana. Come to say you.
Eben.
We Nana Kwame me account.
Nana Kwame.
Okay. Me asu din kan on your case. You see here konya namia mo ta queen of le ko executive member in the modern multi polling the multi majiga my mama edikel elom. On also here konya oba national women organizer. Yura justice yebo national deputy organizer. And I yura my tech ever Victor chairman. Na ya chiba de yuwa jiwa zebro biya ta chairman ni mwapa awo bono ebidi na ni mama bibiya ko na ya ko yi aka me kan se o ma na duru mra se de politics ne to nchen na ti obi ya de na nya yen hwene yen pamu so NPP so NDC yen hwene yen ka na emma o ma ne sele chin de biya mra mu na o ma ne yeti men ko enim yewura ya sebe enye na sem 2022 di se ne de ko dina court Minister Prabekati, when the last secretary to the some mine and no forest in him. And the other judge Adwoa Asare Obrempong this in a courtroom. And then this is where a judge. Yes, sir. Yes, I am management to phone. Obi Korea, the any cafe. I Nippon na politics. Power Nippon Korea again. The young and young man, nurture the way forward. Young to Yama, the more management to phone. So I said, now we are saying to cut your unifying. As I am near my young if you to go ball, if you go what the move, and not here to count, and number so much, it's so many.
Ni boy town medasipi. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Miniaba.
Afrifa.
We Yawunia
Akafia. Why?
Unia Felix Bell.
Ah, okay. Hey, next one, bay. Felix Bell, me tell on catches. They say, I won't basubim.
Yeah, God news.
Okay, yes, you. Okay.
Yamisa, na mamincha the international chairman, Honorable Adwoa Namincha Greater Accra Vice Chairman, Eric Nati, Michiano Biaobia. Anopai, minimum agent papa. Yes, court is good at your anybody. You could them 20 years. Did you mean yes and the other? They're caught in a sea. But the Ami Bissani said, come to Marano. Obisua, and Rani, yes, to put them. I think yes, put to me your money body. You will perform Bisua, what's your mighty body? But and this is a back. This is how put it away. Or mine, and be a children. I think I was a banner. Say, I see your money, I bet my dear. At your shop, a brand of kidney beer, and brand new kidney tea. As I come back, say, when you'll be at the party for, which is only a match house. Not only can be part of the brand of beer.
Felix Medasipi me peke beye mienu bi na mediasi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Obajua.
Me pacho Erade adum na unso e. Kantamantofo ho ye.
Kantamantofo ho ye pa.
Right. Yenti wa no pay free fa.
Amecha Honorable Adwoa incoming national chairman, MPP. If you tell this, Umiamo Ponibo Ajako. Ghana Hanumia one. Ye pepe ye pa there. They said, ye shaman MPP, a big power. Mediani Africa, because African Tamanto. Joe, in your bay, won't you answer more about that on the world? Eh, as I say, if a more Aginipa, and yes, and someone near maybe me. There was an you from Muhammad, and I can't say Josephia me, the two Galamsey. And when to Yoko, and to some friends, Josephia me say, who appear to be friendly and friendly, and Penny and Power, the criminal, Josephia me as some no, the end Catasumu Moaso, that won't immediate, where you could be born in, no, dear, the two Galamsey, the channel. I get 20 years. Fine. So we sell minor say, and so many do not say, dear. You are Mahama, and check the same one way to Galamsey. And people tell no more young people to Galamsey. And to say you wanted to Galamsey, I won't take Ghana's house. It is not that you want to Galamsey. And you are Mudia, you say Mahama. When you get it's a so friend to Sophia, me and you want to Muya. Abanga. Woman, man, you have one of the time, and this one of the time. But nobody else today has a say. What would be what you know about it? One more thing, one more thing, nothing, someone will be at what here.
Afrifa Medasipi. Hello, good morning.
Obama, and a talking to Encounter.
Enka unso.
About your friend,
Esu boy. Yo, Nana Yinti.
You are honorable watch exactly. Mention and I do. And then check income with the government advisor. AMR, Adwoa Asare, try and test it, Papa. Manager, and then I say so, and then the chairman, the book Chairman, I found the book. Yeah, but the NPP and you should have on my finance. This kind of trying any of any person in community or Maui, a best say, oh, NPP, and they come to saying, let me forcing. It's a manager or Monica. They do are going to know the kind of the account. The better Bank of Ghana government, Dr. Shama, not to take a manager more for Monica. Or without that, and I mean, that's what I'm a manager. And it's got to say that it's what I give it a more man of bread. And the bar bank, and it's not asking our fortune or not interested in you. But that's what I'm going to say to you. And when I put your mother in the case, I can not spoil you. And then, if you do our lives, our mind, just set up for the double. Before you let them all be out, I think I'm going to get you. The most you know, not to
Nana mo akomeda CP me pick me last call.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho. Hello. Yes.
Oh yeah, Akafia niyo.
Akafia.
Oh.
So mama wakanta we.
Last caller.
Ane.
Dedi kai mamintia Sompa 106.5 na. Mintia honorable Bache ya kwa national chairman. Na B on also by first vice. Just go the maintain. And lawyer Ali Ami Omega our national organizer. Moses Abo Gonia Salvidiako. Now we Rusia and Luka Ahmed Adia also ba Tessa. Put him. Many of I'll say Omana Chichino. There be a cafe and this for mono Amaya Boro. Abro for papa. There's a Mukunya Awa for papa. I didn't hear. Untimedia, Miniasule, no money and this Bobby Castle, Untimia Galamse, Untimi Onya Galamse, Okutani Lances. Above one to reap one or one cherry, Amukana, the Catos of Momentasia, then one or one can. Utia judge now. What say ordinary Lances and Amma Obi Adia Galamse. Any panels are ultimately man on one bar man is on Fanya Galam, so could young Kube. And what requires Sadia and Almedia. So what the last is man 1 from 5. I don't think any pana or the man or man. Omodia, yes, all me and disappointed no mamma, so almost no media that's in to me. And Untinia, Jerry, ultimate 20 years on. Now, Yaka, Sadia, and young year or my remote. Ultimate one year minister. Only possibly our bam. No, Oma, to say, at the force, I can and go for the original court. I got went to the AM Plasso. It's in about manners of baby, a plan of that classroom. Person in the wa, a movie. I know what Plasso. Your mama said, oh, yeah, this is for other song. I know you will poor man. That is not our member of my baby.
Meda CP Akafia aha ena mede calls no ebesi ebreno ntimi MPK call bia bia nyame yadoma wo chena ne aka ehwe nyina ne yebeto aso ede amamo kwaku birthday bi wo hode ye kwa no no
da bi na de birthday bi ama
birthday bi ani ho okay
na yengu obi awa my list ne so
birthday bi ani hode ani oh 6 minutes me the 1 minute no be sign out enti make sure say won didi nko me time ni mu me pese ye be police me ana pay wo ha no si
na de he crazy we hear say intro ni di kan ba he na ti say na no bibia da fom boko adwa na no me hye bo se mekwa lubu na makwa akodi nkomo bi ho na the Lubo sector command of the Ghana Immigration Service say commander odaho DCIO Thomas me hwese menya ne din no correct nya sa asem beto me na menka asem bi wo hotel isi anano bi enkomo bi firi baabi bae na intake for your my affair from immigration yeah Thomas Awuntoma ono na ye commander ewo the Lubo sector command of the Ghana Immigration Service na me boni din na mabusa no question ahanya court ba mebusa no question say sika no person oje ne by force no oje de ayedai
oje free hwan
sika no person oje e free officers ne ho by force no oje de agede hwan na asoma no so oje say sika me be kire sika no ndi akire officers e code training e baaye in fact I'm one command ho nko an be 20 something about 25 or 26 na omo free training baaye na sika bi da o account around 5,400 cedis
obia
ai Adwoa multiplication mama
multiply sika na ye den sika
very well multiply 5,400 by 25 na yenhwe amount no emo ono so kura ye de atoso amount na 135,000 Ghana cedis papa mpeso oji sika nidi me be kire oni ntia officers ni hu sika na wo account no mo no na omu nim say bia ye training allowance de amomo
okay
until they spent it until say meba ode emwade menye bosa until say yes ma auditors emwo ye hu adwuma eno mo kire officers ne say omko hokọ kire officers ne say say sika na beda am account no no it was mistakenly paid until it was say you refunded back to the service na ekoda service na account because eno ne ye de hwe am training ajawti ase say sika ne ye de hwe am training nti nyo bia na nya bi enyo bia account na kwanya sa the entire recruit for no nyo bia na kwada ntie kwada de binum account bi nya bi anya bi
okay
and officers ni jitu me say okay sika anya ye dia de do ye di ba ye betua
okay
enti sa de a say mu tua ye kasa salary a monti sika ni free source asem we sabe nyansa be ne wo fufuro mo sin ni American asama makin maji atum te sika no no kure na nyame dia nanso e be dam account mimi assume say e bia ye ko training no bia ye modern bonti anom dia compensate ya na bibisa ma ba ye audit ma kire say there be ye de boy ye ho ka e wo training ho enti it was mistakenly paid to your account so it needs to be refunded na maji atum say ampa enyame dia waka maji atum so be refund ya mini problem lem say wutua me ka tisikani free mukranka o de
asa na de aka na beto account mu
enti tetene nkakra ko so beti awi
na sasa na wo ye no
anka nyansa wom DCIO Thomas Awuntoma sa ompene ono ba giska na free officers ni ho walugo by force
cash
ai ana o jenso kra na ompene nteteso 54 million fa ni na abreme adaya ye ti free source a enye yie nti se me amege na ha
oh how
why na kan ye ti bi tua o source
then that means the money was not credited from source
yo nti die nti na DCI mesi mabodin no ha die nti na DCIO Thomas Awuntome pe Awuntoma o se ndi no ne surname no mfa ncha me bia ma enya no correct pronunciation na die nti na o person wo gisika ne free officers ne ho by force in cash yeah
eno na ye bisa no
na Adwoa men kanka ho papa we wan hweye asama ye kan ena no officer bi ko ne office ko confront no was asem we ho ono sori ja officer ne ho free no office wan hweye nso a wo abakọ confront o no e was asem we ho no na onse na no be kan say allegation bi baaye ama no cry political allegation say ye pese ye punish officers and ye do am come off one way ya officers ye owo ya maka o masem wo hoyi papa yi e begina so abe transfer mo do ma apanish wo some dey asem na bre so because sa asem ne bi esi ho enti officers ne yam hyehye wo
say e bia
mo ena omo nsum pese me di sika ne be ma commander because some dey ma commander be di
na the woman ono ye regional commander
ono na ye sector commander
mo fan ko obi o ye higher than ono
ono ka kire auditors kani commander na no papa o yam de ne banansan ya change of government ya na de ko ho change of government in the call ho and a change of government there is auditors and so call ho kwes audit no and the former auditor na no one say the commander we ba ho no omoji tu mu hie no mo call commander no ho bo ka kire ma sa commander na no ho no ye dia wonto me ye kwa wonto me sa wonto me e ko ho no e ka kire mo nyina agree say ye nti sika ni free source papa we kwa Thomas wonto ma ba ya was it there be on premier nti sika ni free source.
So it's as simple.
What are you hiding?
It's as simple. Omonye wenye immigration mu nko na wo.
Yes.
Corporate organization bia aketuafa bank no ewo ho.
Yeah, it's free source.
Enti se obi sika bia beto obi account mu no waje atum so ke sika enye media. Wrongful payment na se media montia. We dey say enye so whatever it is, okay, he should also let Ghanaians know what his reasons are. If you want
now can be. Unim sika no ho bibi. O beto ye. Yes, you anti scanning free source. You free source.
We nyina.
But me emra me due mu ano.
Mpacho time na so.
Ena me ko hu serious bond and connection between papa no ne comptroller general. Na me eno me mie so ne.
Nyambo atesi.
Da foforo. Me see, onsa asem no me ya no ma yen se otimantam kru no. Keje bi.
Ye kan ni e.
Na me jabi. Me say one hwe sa bond sa controller dem say da me yi ni ho asem apie na hwe a Ghana ha ye nkwa ha omo current controller general ono so wano akọ wa lead a team ano no da no ne batch am wo ma siw service no because of rank and one on the time was nkwa rank the on farm awom no me say da me yi controller general ho asem apie ha
eno na de emre ne nkra bia na be kire
enti mama country Thomas DCIO Thomas awontoma ani awontomi o me send no de me ntimi mo
de ye ya tia
mama country ne say sika no pese wa gidi ni ye hu sika nya ne dia e ya ban dia aban share ne say wanyi sika bi mfiri officer bia ho
so he should stay away.
You should stay away. Na omonti scanning free source boys na imagine say sika no betua aban ntini sika omo ni aban ni problem na mom DCIO Thomas awontoma sika no nim ho hwe hwe no wanyi wansidi
meda sipi kwaku anope ye busua ha na yedimu esi ewo Ghana today so mo amoba so mo amutie mo amantumi amaida mo nyina se mo nkoso amafidie no enda hanom sei sabrade eye Sompa Rhapsody na ye de to so doma koma chia me Obrempong na kwaku ampoma na wote ne nka no medin de Adwoa Asare Rich Bitmice na ede yen eko Facebook anope koso a amafidie no enda ha